Hey everyone! Welcome back to Arch Zenith, the place where we transform ordinary spaces into dream homes. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we bring you the best interior design tips, home decor ideas, and stunning makeovers to inspire your next project. Today, we have something truly exciting in store for you. We're diving into an incredible apartment makeover, packed with stylish, functional, and trendy ideas that will elevate any small space. And the best part? We're incorporating 2025’s hottest color trends to bring this home to life. Every year, new colors emerge in the world of interior design, setting the tone for modern, stylish, and inviting spaces. In 2025, we're seeing a beautiful balance between bold and subtle tones, earthy neutrals like warm sand and soft clay, deep moody blues that add a sense of calm and sophistication, and energetic citrus hues like tangerine and golden yellow that bring vibrancy and personality to any room. Whether you're decorating a cozy studio apartment, a minimalist urban loft, or a small but stylish home, these shades are the perfect way to refresh your space. But color is just the beginning. Today's transformation isn't just about painting walls, it's about creating a space that feels functional, comfortable, and effortlessly chic. We're going to explore smart small space solutions, the best multifunctional furniture picks, and how to add warmth and depth through textures, lighting, and stylish decor. If you're looking for fresh interior design ideas that blend trend with timelessness, you're in the right place. So, whether you're planning to revamp your entire home or just want to add a few stylish touches, get ready to be inspired. Let's dive into this transformation and give this apartment the ultimate 2025 upgrade. First things first, let's talk about 2025's hottest colors. This year, it's all about earthy neutrals, moody blues, and vibrant pops of citrus. These shades are perfect for creating a balanced, modern look that feels both cozy and fresh. If you're looking for interior design ideas that are trendy yet timeless, these colors are your go-to. Now, let's get into the home decor ideas. For this studio apartment, we're focusing on maximizing space while keeping it stylish. One of my favorite tricks for small apartment design is using multifunctional furniture. Think sofa beds, foldable tables, and storage ottomans. These pieces are lifesavers for small spaces. Next up, let's talk about textures and accents. To bring in 2025's trending colors, we've added these gorgeous terracotta throw pillows and a sleek navy blue rug. These pieces not only add color but also create depth and warmth in the room. And don't forget, layering is key in home interior design. Another must-have for 2025? Greenery. Indoor plants are still huge, and they're a fantastic way to breathe life into your space. We've added a few small potted plants and a hanging planter to this studio apartment. They're perfect for adding a touch of nature and freshness to your home decor ideas. Alright, let's talk about lighting. Lighting can completely transform the vibe of a room. For this makeover, we've incorporated a mix of ambient and task lighting. A sleek floor lamp in a matte black finish and some warm fairy lights create a cozy, inviting atmosphere, perfect for those relaxing evenings at home. And for all my remote workers out there, we've created a chic little workspace that fits perfectly into this small apartment design. A compact desk, a comfy chair, and some stylish organizers keep things functional and fashionable. Remember, your workspace should inspire creativity. And there you have it, a stunning apartment makeover using 2025’s trending colors. Whether you're redecorating a studio apartment or just looking for some fresh interior design ideas, I hope this video inspired you to get creative with your space. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Zenith for more home decor tips and makeovers. Until next time, stay stylish and keep designing.